Hey, it's Moshberry. Welcome to this video. I want to quickly show you the demo of ShopZPresso, and I just got access to the first version of the copy, so just had a look at it. Let's have a quick glimpse. Launch your first 3-in-1 online mega store that sells physical and digital products, plus get thousands of free buyers every day. Right, so the 3-in-1 because it can sell physical, digital, and license products, so like Shopify, Amazon, and ClickBank, JVZ Warrior Plus, and license like Code Canyon. So if you look at the product, it's here. Go to the product section and add new product, and you can add physical, digital, and licensed product. And you can always deactivate a product, and you can also create product catalog. It says thousands of free buyers every day because it has its own affiliate program. So you can add products for affiliates, add affiliate product, and you can add your product that affiliates can promote with their affiliate link. Now let me quickly show you a couple of the most important features among that 23 amazing things that make ShopZPresso the fastest online mega store creator. I will just show you only a couple, just the most important ones. So here is an awesome feature, this automatic sales funnel created for every product in your mega store. Now let's look at a ready-made store, and if I just want to add to cart, immediately it gives me some recommendations to add more to the cart, which we call cross-sell or side sell or upsell. So basically funnel builder is built in. And here is the section where you can create relations, that means create funnels. Well, it's a fully responsive, mobile-friendly mega store. You can actually create your store and sell using any language and any currencies from this section. This is the language settings, website language, and just add your new language, and that's it. And in the payment settings, go to the currency section, change or set your default currency, and that's it. You can create dynamic coupons and run promotions from this section here. Set coupons and go to add new coupon, and you can choose the coupon by percentage or coupon by amount and decide the quantity, start date and end date. Everything can be customized. No registering and waiting for activation required. Users can simply use social login or Google login functionality. Built-in product review and rating system, and we have multiple payment gateways. In the payment information section, payments information under payment settings section, you can select which one to activate. Now here's Stripe, PayPal, Instamozo, Paystack, Paytm, Molly Payment, RazorPay, Guest Checkout. All these are available. One of the awesome features is SEO for all products on the mega store. And one of the most important feature is vendors. So basically other vendors, product owners, can sell their products on a mega store, which gives the opportunity to the mega store, to the ShopZPresso user, to charge money for using their store, just like the owner of Shopify. So here is the vendor subscription. You can add a subscription plan for new vendors, one or multiple subscription plans. Users can select cost and the expiry of subscriptions, how many days the subscription is for, product limitation, currency, symbol, etc. And literally every other feature that a real mega store needs to run a real business, to sell physical or digital or licensed products, just like Shopify, ClickBank, and Code Canyon. That's it. Hope you loved it. Thank you very much. Moshberry signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.